Hello and welcome to Laws 13013, Legal Professional Conduct. I'm Stephen Colbran. This course is different from other law courses that you've encountered in your law degree so far. In other law courses, you've learned about procedural and substantive aspects of the law, whereas in this course, you're going to think more about proper ethical use of that acquired knowledge and skill. Once you leave the comparative safety and security of the university, there are many ethical dilemmas that you're likely to encounter in practice. Some of these issues simply cannot be answered by reference to substantive or procedural laws. They will entail the use of moral values and other types of rules to help solve them. These issues include such things as to whom do you owe your duty of care? Is it to the court, the justice system, your clients, your employer, the opposing lawyer, or simply all of the above? What happens when these duties appear to conflict? What do you do when you have instructions from a client who is unable to give those instructions because of some impairment? What happens if you think your client is lying? What if you don't know the law or the answer to the particular question? What do you do? What do you say when a client asks you how much is the issue going to cost to resolve? The course will enable you to identify and explore ethical and procedural issues that you're likely to encounter as a lawyer practicing in Australia. It's not a course purporting to teach you all the answers to ethical questions, but then again, nor does it simply support the view that it's all up to you. You will discover that there are important principles and rules that already guide legal professional conduct and ethics. These rules can be found in the case law, the substantive law, procedural law, both in legislation and in delegated legislation, all of which are set out in the course profile. Overall, the aims of this course are for you to comprehend, analyse and evaluate the provisions of the major pieces of legislation, such as the Legal Practitioners Act 2007 Queensland and the associated 2007 regulations, plus the other professional conduct rules. You'll be comparing and contrasting these professional conduct rules with those in the United States. You'll think creatively in researching and presenting an ethical issue, and you'll be looking for solutions to ethical issues involved with client interviewing. So you can see from this that there are both comparative law elements and skill development elements associated with this particular course. In terms of the textbook, we're using Isaiah Ross, Ethics and Lawyers' Responsibility and Accountability in Australia. This is published by LexisNexis, Butterworths, and of course you'll also need to download some of the relevant legislation together with the Queensland Law Society Trust Accounting Manual. I've included links to these other references in the Moodle site. I look forward to helping you to come to grips with professional responsibility, and please feel free to email me with any issues or trouble that you're having, but above all, enjoy this course. It's very interesting and it may well govern many decisions that you'll make in your professional practice as a lawyer.